Hello fabulous ladies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm coming to you straight from my shower. I'm going to show you how I wash my hair on a weekly basis. Remember, I told you in my previous video that for your hair to be healthy, for your hair to look healthy, you really need to wash it constantly and consistently. At least once a week. If you can't wash your hair once a week, then at least try to wash it at least twice a month. Some people believe that it's the dirt that grows their hair, but that is just a myth. That is not true. Your hair needs water. It needs to be watered like a plant. So in order to do that, you need to be consistent with your washes, and I highly recommend washing your hair every week. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do that, how I wash my hair every week. I'm going to show you the entire process, and I'm also going to show you the products that I use. So do stay tuned. So first I'm going to start by detangling my hair with this white tooth comb, just to make sure that my hair has got no tangles. And already I've got some new growth coming in, as you can see. So the comb doesn't move as fast now. So can you see that it's becoming hard to comb my hair? I'm not going to put it into sections because that is gonna take a lot of time. That is just going to take me a lot of time. And because this is something that I do on a weekly basis, I just try to keep the process very simple, very easy, and straightforward. So I think the hair is done. Before I start washing, I wet my hair thoroughly. This helps to loosen any dirt, oil, or product buildup, and it makes it easier for the shampoo to lather evenly. Once my hair is fully saturated with water, I apply the TRESemmé Moisture Rich Shampoo. The first wash is all about cleansing the scalp and removing surface buildup. I focus on massaging the shampoo into my scalp using my finger pads, not fingernails, and I do this in circular motions to avoid any skin irritation. This step sets the foundation for a deep thorough clean, and I make sure to rinse it out completely before moving on to the next wash. After rinsing out the first shampoo, I go in with the second wash using the TRESemmé Moisture Rich Shampoo again. This second round is all about giving my hair and scalp a deeper clean. Here is where I introduce my detangling brush. While the shampoo is still wet in my hair, I gently use the brush to work through any tangles. This is a great time to detangle because the shampoo creates enough slip to make the process smoother. Using a detangling brush at this stage also helps to ensure the shampoo reaches every strand. giving my hair an even deeper cleanse and preventing matting or knots during the wash. This brush also helps to clean the scalp thoroughly. When shampooing, always focus on cleaning your scalp, because your scalp is where the buildup from oils, products, and sweat accumulates. Once I'm satisfied, I rinse the hair thoroughly. For the third and final wash, I apply a small amount of the TRESemmé Moisture Rich Shampoo to my scalp and hair. And by this stage, most of the buildup is already gone. So this step ensures that my scalp is completely clean and refreshed. The third wash leaves my hair and scalp feeling super clean, but not stripped of moisture, which is crucial for relaxed hair. Once I'm done, I rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to prevent my hair for the next step, which is deep conditioning. After shampooing, I go straight into deep conditioning. I use the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Conditioner. This step is so important for relaxed hair because it replenishes lost moisture, strengthens the hair, and improves elasticity. I apply it generously from root to tip. I then cover my hair with a shower cap, and then I leave it on for at least 20 or 30 minutes. Deep conditioning allows the nutrients to penetrate deeply into the hair shaft, leaving your hair hydrated, soft, and healthy. And if you want to take it up a notch, you can sit under a hooded dryer or even use a warm towel for added heat. For now, I'm just going to step out of the shower and just lazy around the house whilst I wait for my conditioner to process. Okay, I'm back. My 30 minutes is up, and now it's time to rinse out the deep conditioner. After rinsing out the deep conditioner thoroughly, I follow up with the TRESemmé conditioner. This second round of conditioning is all about sealing in the moisture from the deep conditioner and adding slip to the hair for detangling. I focus on mid-lengths and ends, as these areas tend to be the driest. This step also makes my hair feel silky, smooth, and easy to manage. This time, I focus solely on massaging my scalp with my fingertips to stimulate blood circulation, which promotes healthy hair growth. Here is another essential tip. Always detangle your hair while it's wet and coated with conditioner. Conditioner adds slip, reducing friction and making it easier to remove knots. I use a wide tooth comb, starting at the ends and working my way up to prevent breakage. After I rinse out the conditioner with cool water, I wrap up the hair with this hair towel that I got from Detangle. This towel is different from the other normal towels. It is much gentler and it helps prevent frizz and breakage. To protect my hair from the heat,
I use this hair defense from TRESemmé, and then I detangle the hair once again. Usually when I have a lot of time on my hands, I let my hair air dry. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use a hair dryer. So I just set it on low heat setting or cool setting. Once the hair stops dripping wet, start combing the hair. I really struggle with this dryer. This hair dryer is not my favorite. I prefer the other one with a comb, but I broke that dryer, so I'm gonna have to work with this for the time being. But I do struggle with it. Detangling any knots if I come across any. And I prefer to use my hands because they are much gentler than a comb. I am currently 8 weeks post relaxer, so the growth is real. I've opted to use this white tooth comb because it minimizes the friction, therefore reducing the breakage. So once I'm done combing and straightening my hair, my moisturizing and sealing routine begins. I'm not going to show you how I do this process because I already have a video on this channel. It is my nighttime routine, so I'm going to leave a card on the screen, and then I'm also going to link that video at the end of this video. Be sure to check it out. That video shows the products and what I do to keep my hair moisturized, soft, and healthy. And that's it for my wash day routine for relaxed hair. By following those steps, shampooing, deep conditioning, conditioning again, and detangling, you can keep your relaxed hair healthy, hydrated, and breakage free. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite hair care tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair and style content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye.